Hey everybody, it's Ashvika. In my Madhugiri vlog, I had already mentioned about how we went to Devarayan Durga, and here it is the vlog I made in Devarayan Durga. This place is quite popular among the Bangaloreans, and I have been here twice, hence I've added few clippings from my first journey as well. Devarayan Durga, which translates to the Fort of God, is located in Tumkur district. Check out the description for Google Map link for the exact location. The scenic route and proper roads make your journey so beautiful. You drive amidst the thick forest all around you. Hence it is a perfect long drive destination. The rocky hills are surrounded by the forest and the hilltops are dotted with several temples, including the Yoga Narsimha and the Bhoga Narsimha temple. While Bhoga Narsimha is situated at the foot of the hill, the Yoga Narsimha temple is on top of the hill. There are many hillocks and boulders surrounding the Devarayan Durga hill. One can climb these hillocks or can even trek to the top of the Devarayan Durga, although we reached the top on our vehicles. The temple on the hill was constructed by Chikkadevaraya Odear, the king of Mysore, and the temple is supposedly 2000 years old. The place is 4000 feet above sea level and one needs to climb 150 to 200 steps after reaching the parking point on the top. I have visited the place twice as I told earlier. I have added clippings from both my journeys to show you how the place looks both in summer and late winter. It is also a trekker's paradise due to the fact that it has numerous hillocks surrounding it. It is declared as a protective reserved forest by the Forest Department of Government of Karnataka. Because of the scenic route, you can spot a lot of riders along the way. Not worry about carrying food and water along because there are a lot of stalls on top of the hill, but you wouldn't get exact proper food, but you can snack on something like bhajis and churmuris on top of the hill. On the top next to the temple there is a sacred Kalyani, a small pond. According to me, late winters is best time to visit the place, but try to plan your day trip on a weekday cause there will be a lot of crowd on the weekends. The timing of the temple is from 10 am to 5 pm, after which you cannot drive to the top of the hill. Also beware of the Vanar Sena as the monkeys are smart enough to snatch your belongings, expecting some food in return, but nevertheless they are harmless and you can feed them fruits or vegetables. There are a lot of food stalls and we also snacked on some bhajis and churmuris. It was all I wanted in that cold, foggy weather.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The view from top of the hill is beautiful. I got so many pictures clicked and had a great time in that fogginess. It's a perfect destination for family outings too since it's in favor with kids and old people. While heading back home, we stopped by the Devarayan Durga lake and it was so serene. It is a perfect spot for picnic, but remind yourself to carry your waste along.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Let me know how you liked this video in the comments below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, I am super active on Instagram, so let's connect there. Until next time, stay safe. Bye bye.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow